first step we are going to follow is to add the portal DOM node where the tooltip is going to render outside of React root DOM. If you go into the public folder, there into the index.html file, you will find the div id with root which hold the entire application. We will declare our own DOM node overlay root next to root id that will be placed directly nested to the body. So now I am going to add new div element with id overlay root. Now if you peek into dev tool, there are now two DOM trees that exist. The root DOM where every component is nested inside here, and the one we declare the portal DOM node where we are going to place the tooltip component. In the second step, we will call create portal method, which is a DOM specific method imported from the React DOM library. Next, call create portal method which exists inside React DOM library. So we need to import this from that library. So at the top, import in the curly braces create portal method from React DOM, and inside the return statement and use curly braces to embed create portal function. Always use curly braces if you are embedding JavaScript expression in JSX. So here, create portal function. Create portal method accept two arguments. JSX element, which is tooltip that is append to the body of the page outside the main React root element. And as a second argument, we will use DOM element document.get element by id to get access the overlay root where we want to render this JSX, and the id is overlay root. This ensures that our tooltip appears on top of other element and is not affected by the parent element with overflow hidden set.